What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $2,000 per month promoting Builderall. Now, if you don't know what Builderall is, don't worry about it. I'm going to explain it in just a second, but it is just a software or tool to help people, bring in more leads. Okay? So you're probably wondering, well, why would I want to do that? Why would I want to promote that? Well, I actually have a simple strategy that is very easy. It's easy to scale. It's easy to actually implement, and anybody can do it. So let me show you. We're going to jump into my computer right now, and I'm going to show you, okay, how to do it, how you can do it, how you go about finding people to promote this to, and why it's so easy. All right. So this is Builderall. You can see right here, we're inside my my dashboard. The reason why I like Builderall, I also use another software called ClickFunnels. Now, the biggest difference between ClickFunnels and Builderall is Builderall costs $30 a month. ClickFunnels, which has a lot more features, costs $297 a month. So you answer this question. Do you think it's going to be easier to promote something that is only $30 a month or $300 a month? Okay? Let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know, what do you think is easier? So, why I like Builderall. So Builderall has pretty much everything that ClickFunnels has, but it's a lot cheaper. Now, what you can do, you come over here to Builders, click drag and drop perfect pixel, new website, you're going to land on this page right here. Okay, so if I want to, and I'm targeting people that do network marketing because that is the easiest sale you will ever make. So you click on internet marketing. If you guys use Builderall right now, hit the thumbs up button and let me know that you are a current user, okay? Because this works, okay? So click on internet marketing, click on opt-in. Now, all we gotta do is go and find a simple opt-in page that we can replicate, kind of like this one. I'm gonna click on view so you can kind of see what it looks like. So you can see here, it's all just a bunch of gibberish. All you have to do is come in and show somebody how you edit the page. Okay. So they are a member of MCA, Motor Club of America. Okay, and I'm gonna show you a list in just a second of all the different network marketing prospects you can go after, because honestly, I see these all the time, and I made a list of just the ones I've seen on my Facebook feed in the last 48 hours. So all you do is you come over here and you change the headlines, you change everything to really target the people that they are trying to promote to, trying to sell to. That's pretty easy. So we have an opt-in page, this one right here. Once they opt into that email or put their email address, you create an autoresponder. And right here they have it. It's called Mailing Boss Autoresponder. It is free with Builderall. So what you do is let's say this is Facebook right here. We got Facebook groups and we got Facebook pages. Okay, so like I said, I created a list of just a bunch of different network marketing offers and people that were trying to promote different things just in my Facebook, my personal Facebook feed in the last 48 hours. Okay, so that was Facebook. Here's the actual feed. These are the different network marketing companies, and this is what they're promoting. Rodan and Fields, Advocare, Sensi, Herbalife, Motor Club of America, also known as MCA, Unique, Nerium, Amway, Isogenics, Level, OmniLife, Pampered Chef, Senegence, Innovative Nutrition, Market America, It Works, and Beachbody. There's probably more, but I thought that list was enough. Okay? Here's what you need to understand. They are all on Facebook. All these people are over on Facebook trying to promote their business. And you're probably thinking, okay, that's enough. Stop just putting a bunch of crap on Facebook. Nobody wants it. Well, how do you know nobody wants it? Right? Nobody wants it based on your knowledge, based on what you like. Okay? But if you can create an opt-in page that you can find people that really want to know about the business, and you're promoting the business opportunity and the products that you're selling, okay, you have two different opt-in pages, and you're just posting the links to your pages every so often, you'll get a bunch of people to click on them, put in their name and email address, and then you can send them automated emails. Okay, so from Facebook, we send them to a landing page. That's LP. Okay, from that landing page, they opt in. Okay, they opt in, and then we send them to our email sequence. I know, great writing, right? our email sequence. Okay, so our email sequence could be a mixture of, promotional things, trying to get them to sign up for, Nerium or Pampered Chef or whatever. And what we do is on every single one, we promote either the business or we promote the products. Okay, products. So the reason this works so well is, one, you are not having to promote and post all these different links. All you have to do is post it one time over on Facebook inside your Facebook groups. And this is what you're going to tell those people that you are targeting is, okay, I'm going to show you how you use Builderall to build your business. And the way you do it is you get and you create a landing page. From there, you send people that are on Facebook inside a private group or whatever, you send them or show them the link to your landing page. They click on that link, they opt in. Then once they opted in, you're over here. I'm going to talk about these numbers in a second. You're over here on the Mailing Boss autorespond. And if you need help with any of this, comment down below, or you can go right here on YouTube and look at a bunch of different videos about Builderall. And I'm going to put a link. I'm going to put a link down below. You get a 7-day free trial to use Builderall and go and use this exact strategy. Okay? Go and talk to people that are promoting Rodan & Fields products. Advocare, Sensi, Herbalife, Motor Club of America, Unique, Nerium, Amway, Ice Next Level, OmniLife, Pampered Chef, Synergist, Innovative Nutrition, Market America, It Works, Beachbody, and so on. Go and talk to all these people. Introduce yourself. Let them know who you are, how you can help. Okay? Because the biggest thing that I see happening lately is the people that are making money are the people that are not always selling the products, but the people that are promoting the opportunity to scale that business. That is you and I. Okay? We know what it takes. And what it takes is you need to build a sales funnel. You need to use landing pages like this one. You need to use autoresponders, which is free inside of Builderall. Okay? Now, how you can make $2,000 a month. This is what I want to show you. Okay? And I'm going to pull up my handy dandy calculator right here. Okay? So let's say you sell 101 licenses per year. And the way I came up with that is, let's do 100, okay? Let's do 100, just keep it even. So we have 100. So what you gotta understand is, when you promote Builderall, you get 30% of the first month. You actually get 100% of the first month's payment. So in the first month, you get $29.90, and then you get 30% of that price every single month. So $29.90 times 30%, you're getting $8.97. Okay, times that by 11. Let's say this is just in a year, $98. Then add $29.90 to that. You're getting paid $128.57. Okay, so if you need to make $1,000 a month, let's say $2,000 a month, $24,000 a year. Divide that by 157. Is that what it was? I think it's 127. 24 divided by 127, 28, 187 people. Divide that by 12, you need 15 in a month, okay? 15 people to actually do this. Now, how hard is that? That means you gotta get one every 2 days. Is that difficult? No, it's not. And I say it's not that difficult because you know how many people are on Facebook trying to promote their different businesses, okay? I had a bunch of people promoting Beachbody, had a bunch of people promoting Innovative Nutrition, had a bunch promoting Pampered Chef and their meetings and their different whatever they do, okay? Had a bunch of people promoting Level. It's summertime right now, so everybody's into health and fitness, looking better, trying to make a little bit more money, all this stuff, okay? Rodan & Fields, okay? Sensi, all this stuff, they're promoting it. Now, you can jump in, you can create these different pages, okay? You can jump in on these numbers, okay? $29 a month, okay? Use that link down in the description box below, and it's going to get you 7-day free trial. Go and try it out. I don't even think you have to put in a credit card. I don't know 100%, but I don't think you do. The nice thing about Builderall, okay? In addition to the builders, okay? You design, you do videos, apps, all this stuff. You do webinars. They have a bunch of tutorials, all this stuff, okay? There's so many things you can do inside Builderall, all for only $29.90 per month. Now, you can do this one. You can do the website only. I wouldn't recommend it, especially if you're trying to really build. Now, if you're wanting to do what I'm telling you to do, okay, and go and run a Builderall business by promoting the actual software to other people, what you need to do is you actually have to have this one, the Builderall business. Okay, so for $50 a month, you can go in and you have access to all this. You have access to these right here, which you won't have access to if you only have the digital marketing one. But when it comes to actually selling the product, what you want to sell is this one. And then what you want to teach them is, okay, you probably have a network, you probably have a downline. And because of that downline, what you want to do is you want to promote the exact same thing. You want to teach them how to make more money. How they can make more money is by going on Facebook, promoting that landing page, getting people to opt in, sending them automated emails that were pre-written weeks or even months ago, and then from there you promote the business or the products. And really, it's not that difficult. So many people think it is, okay, that, oh, it's so hard to create a network marketing business. It's not. It's very simple, but you need to have a process. This process, this strategy actually works. And the reason why I know this works is because I use this exact same strategy to promote ClickFunnels, which, if you remember in the beginning of this video, I talked about ClickFunnels and Builderall. What's the difference? The main difference is the price. Builderall costs $29.90 a month. ClickFunnels, for the cheapest package, is $97 a month. But that doesn't even send out emails. If you want to send out emails using ClickFunnels, it actually costs $297 a month, and that's actually the package that I use. Okay, so I do pay for the most expensive package of ClickFunnels. It's called the Edison Suite, and I do pay for the Business Builder over on Builderall. Okay, now which one do I recommend? For this particular strategy, what I'm showing you, it is much easier to sell a product or this software when you are trying to help somebody else build their business. And for only $30 a month, you can't beat it, because it comes with the email autoresponder. It comes with the software to build a landing page. It comes with all that stuff. And a lot of these are pre-done, pre-constructed templates that you just need to pick the one you want, like I showed you. Let me show you again. Okay, you pick the one you want. So you can come in here, you can pick any of these templates. And so I just picked, that one right here. You come in and you edit it. All you do is have to edit the video or edit the page, change what the email list is that you are going to add these people to, and that's it. And you're ready to go. That's how simple it is. And this is one of the reasons why I believe wholeheartedly, completely, that email marketing is really the way to go if you want to build a business, especially for network marketing. Now, I've been doing online marketing for over 10 years, okay? About 12 years right now. And what I can tell you from both my experience and from coaching and consulting other people is the number one reason people fail is not because they don't know what they're doing or they don't have the money or the drive or the motivation. It's that they don't have a proven plan to follow. What I just laid out in this video is a proven plan. It's a plan that I actually use to build up my ClickFunnels business. Okay? And I'm using that exact same one to currently build up my Builderall business. What I can tell you is you do not need to be the genius expert marketer out there. All you need is to give somebody the opportunity and show them what's available to them. Most people that are in network marketing have no clue about Builderall, have no clue about ClickFunnels, have no clue about email marketing and what it can do for their business. All they are ever taught is go on Facebook, post some links, talk about your transformation, talk about your business and how it's changed your life completely, and in most cases it hasn't done a single thing. But when they can go in and just show somebody, give them the opportunity, the option to click a single link, go and put in their name and email address, and they're going to send them a free guide on why Nerium products are better than so and so, why innovative nutrition products are better than so and so, why you should join Motor Club of America compared to X. Okay, when you can give them that free information just by putting in their name and email address, how many people you think are going to go and click on that? Okay, click on it, read your landing page, and then go on and click on the emails. A lot of people are going to do that because it's free. It's free information. People love free. Free is better than anything else, right? People value free stuff because they don't have to pay anything for it. So if you want to go and make $2,000 a month promoting Builderall, use this proven plan. It works. Okay? And like I said, go and target network marketers, because network marketers are out there trying to build their business. They'll do whatever it takes to build their business. And in the same time that you're teaching them how to build their business, you're building yours at the exact same time. So if you have any questions on how to promote Builderall, why I recommend Builderall over ClickFunnels, let me know down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you want more videos on how to help people, but at the same time, make some money. Also, click that subscribe button, subscribe today, and I'll see you guys on the next one.